Here is how to fix the Instagram birth date not changing issue. So first, go ahead and launch your Instagram application and log into your specific account. Tap on the profile picture icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to your profile page. Now tap on the three lines in the top right corner to go to your settings and activities section. From here, select Account Center. Select Profile and Personal Details from the top. You'll see the section of personal details that is indicating contact info and date of birth. Go ahead and select date of birth option and understand the recently changed message. If you frequently changed your birth date, you might see a pop up after tapping edit that says you've recently changed your birthday and there is a limit to how many times you can change your birthday. If you encounter this message, you simply need to wait for a few days before you can change your birth date again. Instagram limits how often you can update this information. And if you have the option to change it, go ahead and select your specific birth date, tap on set, tap on save to confirm, and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.